This is abron01 pH meter used for water testing and aquarium. It come with screwdriver for adjusting and there is one screw at back for adjustment and calibration. We also have pH 4 tablets to calibrate, and pH 7 and pH 9.2 capsule tablets. For testing the pH, first open the cap. You will see one combined electrode and you can turn on the pH meter from top button and then put the pH meter in water and you can see the value pH on screen easily. And you can use this pH meter for testing of running water, pond water and other. If you want to change the battery, just pull the black top part and you will see the 3 battery you can take out and change it and put the back part inside back. If you want calibrate or change the value of pH meter, then there is screw at back of pH meter. By rotating the screw with the help of given screwdriver, it will change the value. For more information, please visit www.abronexports.com.